how to create LinkedIn account on mobile. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to use and create your LinkedIn account in our mobile over here. Creating an account is very simple. You could either continue with your Google or you could even sign in with your email. You can click on agree and join over here where we could even register directly on our phone. So over here, we could put in a sample name for now. Similarly over here, click on continue and then simply enter your email that you want to use. So simply enter the email that you want to register with and enter a strong password that you could use. So for example, over here, so we could have this as our test password. So over here, we're going to put in our email again here. There we go. Then click on continue and we will be able to easily create our LinkedIn account as you can see. So there will be a quick security check over here. We're going to have some tests that we would have to follow or pass. We have verification. And then you're going to enter your location, stuff like that. And then simply select the topics you're interested in, then click next. Then you could even add a photo, but we could skip that for now. And then you will receive a verification code on your email. So simply enter the 6-digit code that you will receive on your email, and then you will be able to now successfully verify and even use your new LinkedIn account. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.